The new DJI Avata 360 is finally here. But there's one big change you need to understand. This drone is C1 certified, not CO. So what does that actually mean for you? Let's break it down, simple, fast, and clear. Most beginner drones fall into the C0 category, meaning, under 250 grams. Fewer restrictions, no license required, but the DJI Avata 360 weighs around 455 grams. That puts it in the C1 category. And yes, that comes with a few extra rules. C1 drones are not as restrictive as you might think. In fact, you can still fly in the open category A1, which gives you freedom to fly near people, with caution, no need for special permits. Similar flexibility to C0 drones. So overall, not a huge downgrade. There are a few important requirements. Drone insurance, mandatory. Operator registration, get your UAS ID. Remote ID setup, enter your ID into the drone. Drone license, A1, A3, required for C1. This license is simple, online test. Around €25. Multiple attempts allowed. If you're flying with FPV goggles, you cannot fly alone. You need a spotter. This is someone who keeps visual contact with the drone, warns you of danger, assists if something goes wrong. No spotter equals not legal in most cases. Even with a C1 drone, these rules apply. Max height, 120 meters. Must fly within visual line of sight. No flying over large crowds. No flying directly over private property without permission. Good news, you can fly in residential areas. But avoid private property. Respect privacy laws. Never record people without consent. This is critical. Apps help you check. No fly zones. Airports. Temporary restrictions. Because DJI's built-in map is not enough. Here's something interesting. C1 drones actually have a few advantages. No strict 120 meters software limit, but still legally required, more powerful features than C0 drones. Better performance overall. So in some ways, C1 is actually better. The DJI Avata 360 is a powerful step forward. But with great power comes a few extra rules. Once you understand them, it's easy. And honestly, C1 drones offer the best balance between freedom and performance.